Hello, 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 world. Let's go. It is Let's Empower Wednesday. Thank you for tuning in, watching. Uh, First and foremost, want to send condolences and peace and blessings to the RBG family. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, thank you for the groundwork that you've done here on this planet for people and women. Just want to say thank you for your work. Appreciate it. All right, so let me go and get into you guys. So, I don't know, some of you are Marvel Avengers fans. I was looking at it the other day, right? And 2020 been crazy, right? 2020 been a year that you couldn't even predict. You couldn't write down what have happened this year so far. So I was looking at it and I was like, I got it, y'all. I got it. Yes. 2020 Thanos. You got all the Infinity Stones right now. 2020 Thanos. We been beat down, whooped right now. Thanos just doing all kinds of things. Pandemic, deaths, losses we really put us in fear. We didn't expect. Life takes us through trials already, and just going through a year like this, you never could really predict, right? Thanos has really beat us down, right? So you saw the reel, you saw my preview right now. I'm calling everyone assemble because we're going into the end game. This is the end game. We at the end game right now. All right, so here's what I need to do. I was a person that was out there in the streets marching, protesting. I'm with it. You know, um, some of that was great work that started a lot of conversation and produced some actions. But however, that ain't all what it is. We can't not just stop there. So that energy we was out there in them streets in the summer, I need that same energy when it come in November at your polling stations. I need you to walk with that same energy at the polling stations, right? Because that's what it's about. So right now, I need you make sure you register. Make sure you register to know your polling place. Know where to go and come with that energy like you was out there in them streets. All right. 3, vote. Execute. You got to execute on voting. I'm not going to debate back again with you all like in 2015, 2016, whatever. Vote. Do what you need, execute, and vote. All right. So, and also, besides on the voting, our lives, man, we've been beat down. Our energy, our mindsets has really taken a toll of everything what happened because how Thanos has been beating us up this year, right? So in the end game of our life, we got to rise up. We got to assemble and mobilize and strategize in our life to reassemble, to stand up and take them down. We got to be smart. We got to change our mindset. We got to come out. We got to pull ourselves up by the bootstraps, come up and take Thanos on because he has beat us down the whole year. So whether it's your relationship with your spouse, your friendship, at your job, whatever it is you have to do, I need you to rise up. I need you to find a way to finish and tap in to make it through, right, through this end game. Because we must depend, we must believe on each other. We got to assemble. The only way we're going to get through all this racism, social injustice, whatever the case may be, we have to get through it together. We have to make actions with each other, right? So stand up. Let's do it. Let's make it through this end game. Let's take down Thanos. Peace.